this is going to be day 11. And so if you look at the assignment board, it's going to look kind of funny. And the reason I did that for is because I have the rest of this week and next week till Thursday. And then, of course, we have spring break. So I wanted to make sure that you understood that. So the first thing that I did is in my ISM book, I labeled chemical reaction handout. I am on page 13. So let's look at the handout. So type of chemical reactions, there is a pattern which can be predicted the product. And remember, based on what we taught before, the reactant is on the right hand side, then you have an arrow which is a yield, and the product is on the right hand side. There are 4 types of reactions, but basically there's 5, and we're going to talk about that later. The 2 that we're talking about today is synthesis, where there's 2 more substances react to produce a single product. So I have A plus B yields AB. Now in this exercise, you will have to have a red and blue pen to do this. You can do crayon, marker. I really don't care what it is as long as it's red and blue. And then it gave us an example of this solid adding to this liquid that made a solution, okay? And then decomposition is the other one. Decomposition has to do with single compound breaking down into more than 2. So here we have one compound that breaks down to 2, and here we have this compound here breaking down to 2, and you know that because it's a plus mark. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn to the next page, and then you would have to open up the handout that I have provided to you on Google Classroom. So the handout that you open looks similar to this. So what you're going to do here is it says watch the video and then complete the chart. Well, we're not watching the video, we just read an assignment. So you're going to do type of reaction, line, definition, line, and equation. Okay? So the first thing is we have synthesis, and we're just doing synthesis and decomposition today. And then for the definition, well, we had a definition that we already wrote down, right? So that we could do it again if we wanted to. And so if we were doing it again, we would have where we know for a synthesis is where you have 2 products. So you have 2 compounds or elements combining to make one compound. Okay? And then decomposition is where you have a compound that breaks apart and forms 2 products. Okay? And so here's we're going to use our red and blue. So if you look over here, do you see how it has the circle and it has the things on the top? So this is how it's going to work. So you have a line plus line yields blank. You have a circle, circle, and then you have a circle and a circle. Here you have a circle and a circle, which is one line, right? And it has a yield, and it has a 1 plus another, right? So this is AB yields AB. AB decomposes to AB. Down here it tells us A is red and B blue is B is blue. So then you're just going to come in here and you're going to actually color in the A's, and you're going to color in the B's. And that's all you have to do today. And then you're done. Now, make sure that you are staying on top of your work. I'm sending you the information. I'm emailing you every time you don't turn anything in. I'm also probably going to do a video from the quiz from yesterday. I know some of you are struggling. Remember, tomorrow is Thursday. We have a Zoom meeting. Our Zoom meeting is at 12 o'clock. Please come join us. And if there's anything I can do for you, please let me know. And I hope you have a good day.